Should ask grandma. Uy, ya se murió. Ya se está muriendo. You should suck. What's going on, you guys? Is Jay is not here, and S. And today we guys are bringing you what a bread. What you keep on haciendo? No video. Grandma, that wasn't me. It's a ghost. So right now we're about to go to the mall. We're supposed to go to New York. We're supposed to go to the mall and to New York, but we're not going to New York. Oh, we still don't know. But we're going to the mall and we're just going to, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna wait for JJ. And yeah, bye. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave right now and just meet up with JJ.
Yo, what the fuck? I can't put my jacket.
Say hi, bitch. I'm recording now. I already did the intro and everything. So yeah, as you can see, my cousin has a flat butt. Just... Ow. They was doing that shit to me today.
As you can see, my cousin has nose lights.
I do got a fucking light, bitch. I'm working out. I'm bitch.
Fine, Marty.
You probably lost it last night, baby.
No, I didn't. I came in to the house here, but I don't know where I took it off at.
I don't know. She's looking for her jacket, guys. Big ass duck. That shit big.
$15 on Target.
He's stupid. $15. Girl, I'm not moving. Ah, shit! Oh, God. Damn, bitch. You fucking struck. I'm like, damn, girl.
And then I got mad at JJ because she took my Tingle Bell stickers. they used to be for the wall and shit.
Yeah. JJ's stupid. I'm talking about you, Jay.
Right.
Like, remember the fucking the pharmacy on Palisade used to be like across the street, well, back in the days. And JJ went when she was little. She's still like Hello Kitty's. What was it?
Or Band-Aids.
She's still fucking the package of the Band-Aids.
I
Hello
told
Kitty.
Jay, I'm like, yo, steal the SpongeBob ones. She was like, no. She was too much of a bitch. She was like, I was like, fuck you. I went down by myself. I told you not to do it. I was like, fuck you.
What your mom did?
I think she embarrassed the shit out of me when I go back.
Her mom let her. Her mom took her bag just to drop the Band-Aids off from the pharmacy that she robbed. How old you was?
Like 6.
6 years old. What a thief. Are we
And
good?
then, when I wanted out in La Farona, I used to want like the strawberry fucking cookies.
What strawberry cookies?
They come in a stick. In a bag. Well, they changed it now. But I wanted that shit one time, right? And my mom said no. And I was like, okay. I just opened, I started eating, and I walked out. My mom was like, she was like, I'm gonna make. She made me go back, and even though that shit's already open, and she was like, give it back. And then the guy was like, you can keep, you can have it. I looked at my mom, I told you.
I told you.
She was like, she had no, he's like, she can't do that. And then my mom about to pay for it, and then the guy was like, nah, she could just have it.
Are we leaving or what?
Yes, hello?
Right now?
Yeah, hold on.
What the fuck? Whipped cream? Why she would have whipped cream in her room? Leave in her room. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. John, stop. She probably getting it in, putting some whipped cream and shit. Nasty asshole. So yeah.
Why do you do that? Why do you do that to yourself? No one is acting with any of those things. That is only you.
And that's why, guys, you don't be in no fucking relationship. Because once you're in a relationship, Once you're in a relationship, it's over. What are you doing? Because it's slow. Oh. You want the cookie? There you go. This is for Kat.
Thank you.
Hi.
Oh, are you sure you don't want any?
No, I'm good. Thanks. We just finished eating. Thanks. You too. Pobrecito. Cat pictures. They're just probably using that shit, but I don't. They were here using the cat.
Told my cousin give her 5. She's like, why my ass been 5?
Not like at least $2 something, you know? Oh, $3 something. Base. She want grandma clothes.
That too. This bitch burned my pillow.
Who?
Whoa.
I don't know who. Z?
Yeah.
Why she would do that?
The charcoal fell.
Alright, so what you want to do?
Smile.
Y'all can't wait to have like a big ass house in my niece's room. Oh yeah, let's go to Forever 21 and see something.
We're not gonna do it.
Do what? What's wrong? Don't let that. I just want to see something. So guys, what you about to do? What you want to do? I'm hungry. Jay, she always on her fucking phone, yo.
I want ice cream.
Of course, the fat ass.
I want buffalo wings.
You with your buffalo wings, I swear.
Yo, I had a feeling.
Let me get your phone, Jay. Let me get your phone.
No.
Why not?
Why you want my phone for?
I'm not gonna go through your shit. Just give me your phone.
You don't put my phone, bitch.
Just give me your phone. Stop making everything so complicated.
Oh
my gosh, bro.
Yo, you better not do it.
No, I'm not doing nothing.
Better not.
I'm texting Z.
Yeah.
Ah, that's a price for you. It's close eyes. Come right here. No, stay in one fucking place.
What the fuck are you doing?
All right. You got 60 seconds to pick
lying.
whatever you want right now. Ready,
You
set,
lying.
go.
You lying.
2.
You lying.
What the fuck you think?
Windbreakers.
Oh, that's kind of hard. Let's see if I can pay you.
I know.
Nah, but I'm paying. All right. Then you went straight to... No, it has to be an outfit.
You ain't say that.
No, you already know it has to be an outfit.
This one's mad big though.
No, it has to be an outfit. That's cheating.
That's not cheating. You
Jay,
said whatever I want. You said no.
no, you said it too yesterday. You had to pick an outfit.
Yeah, you
because
said-
I was about to pick jeans. Just jeans yesterday, and you said no. You gotta pick an
Yeah, but
outfit.
you picked shirts before you went to the jeans.
Just only one.
No, you didn't. You got 2.
That we're going
Full
randomly.
Full Locker. 60 seconds. Pick a pair of shoes.
Any pair of shoes? Basically, we had to start from right there, cause that's old woman section, like RH. But I don't know about your fat ass. I love you, girl. To see me, it's I don't know. For Macy's, it's gonna be really hard for me, cause I already got like half of the jeans. Stupid ass she got like 3 fucking windbreaker.
Yo, cause I was in my closet today. I'm looking. I'm like, yo, what happened to all my?
Jay, nobody cares.
Ooh, 60 seconds. What is that?
I don't know, but it's kind of weird, but I like it. I never wear green in my life.
I like this shit.
I like the shirt too. JJ, look. And I like the material. The material is really good. Here, you record now. It's your turn. I'll carry you back.
Oh, 20% battery. She's looking for another outfit. A chic daddy. I like that. I like that one.
But it's so small. If I get an extra small, it's still gonna be small, big.
Got an extra
This size
small.
is like this. Alright, you wanna go to Plaza?
Yeah.
Like nothing.
I want ice cream.
Bitch, I don't want ice cream.
What do you
I
want?
want something sweet. I don't know. I want something sweet.
Like?
Like, I don't know. Really? People ugly.
No, you gotta go talk. You always got that sticker in your
What you got, Jay?
I got a banana split.
And I got a what? Tropical raspberry. Your turn. Please. Ugly. He's supposed to give you. It's extra. You ask for your. What is this?
You got cherry? You got cherry?
You're fat.
I think. Yeah, can you put that on? Chill.
Don't play with it before you shit drops.
Like, can I get another one?
Give me mine. Thanks. Mine is good. This is good.
Oh, it's banging. Let me spot.
It's like a juice.
You should have pineapple. I'm allergic to pineapple. So I'm allergic.
How was this for real? I'm about to eat your shit then. I can imagine we fucking caught an ambulance. And I'm in the ambulance with you eating your ice cream. That'd be so funny. So how you like it?
Heavy duty.
In total, how much was it?
19.
$19. It was really good. My cousin didn't want to come with us, so
Missing out. No money for me.
So guys, it's closed. It is right there. Why it's not? It's right there. It's closed. It's just closed. We were just eating ice cream and shit. Everything is closed right now.
Wait, what the
Shit.
fuck? Yo. Closed.
It's closed. No, it's open.
It's closed, man. I'll let it in. You wanna try?
No.
Yes.
The back door is closed with the car. So that make no sense. Alright guys, so we about to go to Target right now.
Makes
To the other
sense.
side. And my phone's about to die, so guys.
Deuces.
You ugly whore.
Okay.
I'm just joking. And I love you.
I'll do that real quick.
Where? Tie my shoes for it. I be tying your shoes when you be like that.
Yeah, but I never told you to try my fucking shoe. Right there, makes sense.
Okay. Come on. You saw it, bro. Your mother. Let me tie my shoes. Hope you bust your ass. I hope you get pregnant, whore. Tell him stop. Alright guys, so we in Target. We gotta look for handcuffs cause
She about to get fucked.
we had to look for the handcuffs because we came late.
Anybody got a knife?
You have to be where the gun section. You have to be where the gun section.
The gun?
You got like the kiss gun?
You talking about those handcuffs?
Yeah.
It's better buying in Spencer's.
Why?
Because it sells handcuffs. And they have 30.
They have fur. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I need a fucking
My phone's about to die, guys, so.
a knife. A knife.
My cousin's so retarded. Alright, we gonna let you guys know that we find it.
Have a knife.
Jay.
Oh shit.
You got ugly. That's what you need, JJ, hit the gym. Cause you're fat.
The only thing I like about it is I like scanning the stuff. That's it.
Yeah, me too. I don't even like touching the money because that shit's dirty. Wear gloves and watch. Your shit's gonna be dirty as fuck.
Remember to grab your receipt.
No shit, girl.
See you again soon.
Oh shit. So guys, we ain't find it. We just bought some bullshit. But you don't record.
Wait, we gotta talk.
Talk about what? Why you don't hold the camera?
Where you about to go?
Oh no, just walk around. Why? Where we gonna go? Everything's closed. It's Sunday. Exactly. Let's walk home.
You walking home?
Yeah, it's nice outside. Shit, bro, you're fat. Look at her. We walking home? Yes, we walking home. We haven't do this since like the summer. But if it was the summer, you would have been like, oh, fuck it, let's go. It's nice outside. It's not even that cold. So can you please hold the camera?
No, because we gotta talk.
Talk about what?
What else?
Turn the camera off?
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Fuck.
This is really weird because it's. Taste it.
Imagine there's a rat in here.
How the fuck is a rat? Just taste it. Girl, just taste it.
My dog. Yo, this looks so weird. The plastic is thicker.